Camping always seems like a tempting idea and plan, so we bring you the most innovative camping inventions for your family. Get ready to take confident steps with Nonstop 2.0. Want to keep your feet dry in all seasons and keep odors and dirt out of your socks? These socks make it possible. They work like magic, breathable yet waterproof, resistant to dirt and dust, and best of all, no need to spray. All thanks to a special fabric that redefines comfort. They're so durable you can go barefoot in them. Well, when we talk about meals in the context of the future of camping, we present an incredible invention that everyone will appreciate: Hot Circle. Imagine a blanket that not only hugs you, but also automatically adjusts its temperature using artificial intelligence algorithms. This smart and practical camping invention adapts to your location and weather conditions, offering you 7 levels of warmth up to a maximum of 50 degrees Celsius. You can choose between 2 sizes, 180 by 100 centimeters and 180 by 150 centimeters. Who said camping couldn't be technologically comfortable? Beyond comfort, we also value ingenuity. Imagine charging your devices with the power of fire. Enter the amazing Chico Power Spark. It sounds like magic, but the science behind it is surprisingly simple. This ingenious device looks like a cup with a plate on one end. The trick is to place one end of the plate in the fire while the other end touches a cup of cold water. The temperature difference generates between 2 and 5 watts of power, enough to charge your smartphone in just 2 hours. If you're looking for something more in the world of camping, don't miss out on Zempire Pro, the jewel of New Zealand camping. This leading brand stands for its innovative tents, such as the 4-person Prot TMV2, which inflates in less than 2 minutes. Need space? The Pro 3 V2 is your choice, accommodating 8 people with a smart design that uniquely diffuses light in the sleeping area. Of course, quality has its price, and Zempire tents are proof of that. The Pro 3 V2 in all its glory is available for $3,634. If you're in the market for inflation, we have to talk about the amazing 01 pump inflator. Its creators claim it's the only inflator you'll ever need, as it not only inflates, but also provides up to 0.04 atmospheres of pressure and pumps air at an impressive rate of 300 liters per minute. But that's not all. This multifunctional tool also acts as a vacuum sealer and a 2700 mAh external battery to keep your devices charged. With a built-in light and a handy magnetic holder, the 01 pump is much more than just an inflator. The price? A steal at $59 to elevate your inflating experience. And if you found this invention surprising, stay tuned for the next one that'll take your camping to the next level. Attention food lovers and adventurers, Nomad Kitchen Co. has brought the mobile kitchen of your dreams to the camping world. Its price? A luxury worth every penny, $1,200. This mobile culinary oasis features a collapsible design that includes a sink, compact kitchen space, a drawer perfect for a 2-burner stove, and everything you need to become an outdoor chef. Immerse yourself in the captivating story of Nebula Mars 3, the visionary behind the world's first outdoor projector. Get ready for an unparalleled outdoor movie experience. The Nebula M3 dazzles with its ability to project an expansive 200-inch screen with a stunning 1920 by 1080 resolution. Powered by a 185 watt-hour battery, it delivers 1,000 lumens of brightness to bring every detail to life. Imagine 5 hours of uninterrupted cinematic magic in the palm of your hand. Shine with the Goal Zero Skylight, the perfect portable light for work and play. Created by visionary designers with your needs in mind, it has an adjustable height from 1.2 to 3.6 meters. At its maximum height, it can illuminate an area of up to 92 square meters. A full charge provides up to 8 hours of lighting, and its warm tone creates a cozy atmosphere anywhere. During a camping adventure with an array of gadgets, you need a powerful power source. Enter the Balder Portable Charging Station. With its 288-watt battery, it charges in a variety of ways, through a standard power outlet, a car cigarette lighter, or even solar power with a solar panel. A fully charged Balder can power 4 laptops or an impressive 22 smartphones. But that's not all. While charging your devices, it protects against overcharging and short circuits. Introducing the Tripod Torch, the propane torch that combines high technology with the charm of an outdoor campfire. Experience camping like never before. This innovative torch is the perfect companion for nights around the fire. With a 9-kilogram propane tank, it provides an amazing 26 hours of power. Weighing only 1.4 kilograms, it's ultra-light and offers all the benefits of a campfire without the drawbacks of wood and smoke. Imagine the first 25-liter portable shower with a built-in battery. Meet Tanky. The creators hit the market with a 10-amp battery, which means this wonder can run for weeks on a single charge. But that's not all. Thanks to its USB ports, Tanky also doubles as a handy external battery for your devices. Its body warms up under the warm sun and maintains the temperature for 3 to 4 hours, giving you the perfect shower anytime, anywhere. And speaking of perfection, the next camping invention is just around the corner. Step into the future of furniture with Anka Spaces, the astonishing creation by Anchor MG that redefines how we interact with our tables. Designed to shine in both modern apartments and adventurous campsites, this versatile table goes beyond the conventional. Anchor MG has incorporated a 20,000 mAh battery to keep you connected, wireless charging for your devices, Bluetooth stereo speakers for an immersive listening experience, and RGB lighting to add a stylish touch to any environment. But that's not all. The table legs fold easily, and it features a handy built-in mini handle for hassle-free transport. Do you suffer from mosquitoes when camping with your family? The next invention is sure to help. With a 71% increase in mosquitoes since 1979, outdoor activities like hiking and camping have become a challenge. Enter the 3D Flow Jacket. This jacket is not only a style statement, but also the perfect solution. With exceptional air circulation and a special mesh similar to that used by beekeepers, the 3D Flow Jacket becomes your shield against pesky mosquitoes. The jacket's fabric will keep these flying intruders at bay, while allowing air to flow and keep you from feeling sweaty. RBM Outdoors inflatable tents are synonymous with comfort, so luxurious that they're even used in glamping sites that combine the essence of camping with all the comforts of a hotel. Introducing the stunning Panda Air Tent, designed to accommodate up to 8 people and be the centerpiece of your getaways for most of the year, as long as the temperature stays above 0 degrees Celsius. With a generous 12 square meters of space, this tent redefines the concept of space and luxury in camping. For camping enthusiasts looking to streamline their packs, Hideaway's collapsible bowls and cups have arrived. The 0.9-liter collapsible bowl is a convenient 2.5 inches thick, allowing you to optimize space without sacrificing functionality. Imagine how easy it is to pack and store. But that convenience comes at a price, and this innovative set costs $550. Invest in practicality and smart design with Hideaway's collapsible camp bowls and elevate your camping experience. Choose elegance for every outdoor adventure. For those willing to invest over $200 in a portable shower, the Ensuite is the upgrade you've been waiting for. This marvel not only meets your basic needs, it redefines comfort and luxury in camping. Its bamboo slated floor is not only stylish, but also effectively conceals the water collection system underneath. The result? Standing on Ensuite is a much more comfortable experience than standing on bare ground. Moreover, the water collected is not wasted. It can be used elsewhere or removed from the campsite. You'll want to create a warm and enchanting atmosphere in your tent with the charming Japanese mini lanterns Viaggio Plus VI RPL. With built-in clips, they're so versatile that you can easily attach them to ropes, awnings, or any other place you want to illuminate. Powered by CR2032 batteries, these lanterns give you up to 100 hours of light from a single battery. Best of all, you get a set of 10 lanterns and 20 batteries. Because camping deserves comfort, we introduce you to Hopwin, the all-in-one rechargeable fan. Equipped with a powerful 10,000 mAh battery, this fan provides 18 hours of continuous cool air. And best of all, even at its maximum noise level, it's as quiet as a TV at medium volume at only 60 decibels. But that's not all. If you decide to use just the lantern, get ready for 45 hours of illumination on a single charge. Weighing only 800 grams, Hopwin is the perfect companion for your adventures. And speaking of perfection, it's time for the latest cool invention. Mosquito protection is given with the EMR30, a device that creates a mosquito-free zone with an impressive range of 9.1 meters. You'll feel the difference in just 15 minutes. This powerful repellent works with special mats, and with just 2 of them, you'll have 10 to 12 hours of protection. With a fully charged 10,400 mAh battery, you'll enjoy 6 hours of protection outdoors and 12 hours indoors when purchased with 10 mats. With these fantastic inventions, camping has become a much more comfortable experience. Connect with nature while feeling as comfortable as at home. What's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.